Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanya and today I am super excited to do the look that I'll be creating today because it is all about college look. In every college there are few different type of people. So there's one which looks like a diva, then the other one who doesn't really like that much of makeup but still want to look subtle and glowy. So today the look that I will be creating will be subtle as well as glowy. So as you can see, I have wore a jacket. It's a denim jacket, and I have wore the sandals under it. And I have actually made a very cute braid here on both sides, and I've just tucked it on the back of it with a pin. So I have just taken bath and I've done all these things. So the second step after taking bath I'll be doing is then I'm just gonna quickly prep my skin so that I can quickly start with my makeup, which will be very minimal and but up to the mark. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I'm using this FYR Professional Gulab Gel. So I'm using this product. I'll take it on a cotton pad, rub it on your face. It actually helps in closing your pores and at the same time refreshes your skin. If you're a college goer, then it's very important that you should always apply moisturizing cream, which is not just a cream but also a sun protection, because why not? If you're moving out, it's very important to protect your skin from tan. So for that I use this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock, and it is in the SPF 50, which is I think perfect for any college goer, because you tend to spend a lot of time in canteens and outside the classes of course. So why not just keep your skin safe from all the UV rays. So once you're done moisturizing your skin, it's also important to moisturize your lips, and for that I'm using this lip balm from Maybelline, and it's a tinted lip balm. It has a dark cherry shade in it, and I just apply it on my lips nicely so that my lips also shine really bright. So yeah. So since I have really bad pigmentation on my face, and not just a dark corrector concealer doesn't work on my face that much, so I'll use this orange corrector to actually work on my pigmentation, because why not? It is important to conceal it and I don't feel shy doing it. So I'll just gonna take a bit of the amount on my finger and I'll just quickly apply it under my eyes, on my lips, on my just above my lips where I have the pigmentation, and I'll just blend it very nicely. It's always suggested to use your ring finger while you're doing the blending, because after I'm done correcting my face, the second step that I do it, I'll have to hide those orange spots also to make my skin even. So I have this another shade, it's in a skin tone only, from the same palette that I'm using from Nykaa. So I'm just gonna take this skin tone and I'll just apply it on all the areas where I have used this orange corrector to just even my skin tone. The next step is to pack this entire thing. So I'm using this Fit Me Maybelline compact in the shade 235. So it's I think it's natural beige. Sorry, it's a pure beige, and it goes really well with my skin. So I'll just use this product and pack everything that I have just applied. So it's actually one of my favorites. So it's like hardly left, but whatever is left, I'm just gonna use it really well on my face. So after I am done actually, packing the stuff on my face, now I'm gonna take a very, a brownish shade, and I'll just take it on my finger and, very roughly with a free hand, I'll just apply this shade on my eyes to, give a deep effect. Because why not? Just, look beautiful. I'm gonna do it on both of my eyes. Very little. And there I am, done with it. I have this navy blue kohl with me. I don't even remember which brand it is, but I'll just quickly apply it on my eyes to, give an enhanced look to it. And more or less looks like that maybe, but so I have taken this Lakme iconic curling mascara, and I'll just quickly use this mascara on my eyes because what's more beautiful than good lashes? And I'm just gonna try a very generous coat. So after I'm done applying a coat of mascara and I'm done with my eyes, I'll just quickly move towards my face. So for that I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me blush. It's in the shade 204 medium pink, and that's how it looks. So it has a brush also, so the best part of it is brush. So on my cheeks. And overall it's very handy and it's very cute and compact. So you can also keep it in your bag just in case you like highlighting it again and again. And also it has a bit of a highlighter in it added, so it's like an add-on thing. So you can use it both ways. And I'm just gonna do it a bit on my nose also. Just two things are left for me, and that is I like to always do my eyebrows and also a bit on my lips. So for eyebrows I am using this Maybelline eyebrow pencil. So that's how the pencil looks. I'll obviously put a description on my link in my description box. So I'll just fill all the empty areas and we'll keep it very natural. And since I have very light eyebrows, so obviously I would like to do it to the best of with my abilities. Let's move on to the lips. So for lips I have got numerous options. If you do not like the lipstick part, then you can obviously put lip balm and just go for it. And if you want, since it's more about summer look, then you can actually apply the nude shades and everything. But since I have kept everything very lighter, so I would prefer, and I'll go with this Maybelline New York Lip Gradation by Color Essential. It's in the color Fuchsia 1. So I'll just drop the link, and I'm using this lipstick to do my lips today. And above all, the best part about this lipstick is that it is actually transfer proof. I mean, it really lasts long firstly, and it hardly stays on your on your glasses, on your bottles and stuff. So I prefer this one. So guys, this is like the final look that I have created today. I have used blush, I have used lipstick, I have not used any highlighter because my blush had a tint of highlighter in it, and I have just applied a kohl, that too in a shade navy blue. Apart from that, I have really used a lot of coats of mascara because I really love big eyelashes. I have just filled my eyebrows like in the spaces that were left, incomplete. And apart from that, I have just used a corrector and a bit of a concealer. That's it. I have not used any foundation and stuff like that. So this is a very basic makeup look that you can carry for your office, I mean for your college, because I think it's very simple and it's very cute, and I completely love this one. And above all, if you want to go with nude lipsticks, you can go with that also. You want to go with red lipstick, you can go with red lipsticks also. If you want to go with the wine shades also, then I think it will look super cute, because it's just the lips you're experimenting and you're keeping rest of the things very light. So guys, keep experimenting, keep doing whatever you like, and I think this is the look that I am completely adoring right now, because it's very simple, very cute, and I'm absolutely loving it. But this is my take in it. Let me know your thoughts, your take on the same. And if you like the video, then please do like and comment and share to the people. And also guys, if you're new to my channel, then please go and subscribe to my channel, because that really helps. So keep motivating, keep supporting, and now I am signing off. And if you think that you have any ideas to share with me that I can do, and for you, if you think that I can create something for you, then please do let me know in the comment section below. You can also DM it to me on my Instagram, that is Tanya Katta or Tanya Katta Makeovers. I have 2 Instagram handles. You can message it to me on any one of them, and I will surely gonna do that for you. So now finally, bye bye. Thank you for watching. Love you.